Hello, today I am doing an Amazon review for a company that I have done a review for in the past. Um, this is a 10-pack mystery canvas. So what this is you order a 10-pack of diamond paintings. You have no idea what you're getting. That's what the mystery is. I find it very exciting. You have no idea what you're going to get. What I had reviewed for them prior was a 12-pack of mystery diamond paintings. I was extremely impressed. Not only did I get just great kits, but they ranged from holidays to animals to landscapes, people, cartoons. It was all the way across the board. I loved it. I think the main problem people are having is that they are getting multiple diamond paintings that are the same within their packs. So hopefully they have fixed that. The 12-pack that I did a review for prior, I had no duplicates. All the diamond paintings looked great. The rendering was awesome. I had zero complaints. So let's hope that this 10-pack is the same way. So again, I'll leave the links to the company and to this in my description box. That way you can go check them out for yourself. And again, like I said, the fun of this is actually just not knowing what you're getting. It's a mystery. It's kind of like a Christmas. You don't know what you're going to get until you open that package. So I find it fun. So this one is a 30 by 40. I think they're all going to be 30 by 40s. And you can see that it is a Christmas scene. It's going to come with your standard toolkit, which is a green boat, a square of wax, and a pink single placer pen. Alright, so it has the drills. This is a round drill canvas. Has the item number on the bag of drills. Corresponds with the item number on the canvas. So you can see the rendering on this is really nice. And it's cute. Very cute. And I love gnomes. So that's great. Alright, so let's try another. Now, this company has got all kinds of items. They have got this 10-pack of mystery kits. They have a 12-pack of mystery kits. They have got coasters. They have got off-canvas projects like wall hanging, coasters, desk ornaments. They have got a few of these 30 by 40s. They have got specials. They've got 30 by 30s. They have got partials. They've got really a little bit of everything. So it's worth going and checking their company out, their store, and looking and seeing, what you can find. So this is another, well, it's a 40 by 30. It's just in landscape. We've got portrait and landscape. But this is really nice. Again, everything looks really good. Has the schematics on both sides. Has the standard toolkit. Now this one, the drills are not in a bag, which is fine, no big deal. Just make sure that the item number corresponds with the canvas. So, and it does. So there's that one. So far we have got a Christmas or a holiday. We have got a landscape. So what is this one? This is another 30 by 40. And it's another Christmas. Piece of plastic fell out. Standard toolkit. There's your drills. Again, they're all rounds. Very clear, nice canvas. Alright. Let's go to the next one. I'm trying not to let this video be very long, but I want you to be able to see everything that they have. Now, if you order the 10-pack, you may not get what I get. You'll get something different, I'm sure. Okay, so this is another 30 by 40. Their standard toolkit, round drills. This one is Halloween, and it's another gnome, which is so funny because I collect gnomes. So just having gnome canvases in here is really cool. Alright. So let's go to another one. Alright, we have another 30 by 40. And we have the moon. Standard toolkit. Here's your drills. Look at all them colors. Now that is pretty. This is a gorgeous canvas. I love all those colors together. The blues and the teals and the purples and pinks. That is pretty. So far we've done pretty good. And we're all the way across the board as far as, you know, you get a little bit of everything. Alright, here is another 30 by 40 standard toolkit. Here's the drills, and that is really pretty. And you know, this would not be something that I would pick out myself, but since it's in this kit, I like it, and I would do this. Yeah. So this is really cool. I think this is really a great idea, especially if you have a problem, you know, making decisions on what you want. You know, you just do a mystery 12-pack or a mystery 10-pack and, you know, let them decide what you get. I think it's pretty neat. Ooh, look at that. Standard toolkit. Again, this is a different type of packaging, and they're not in a baggie, but they're nice looking drills. But there's a vase of very, very blue roses. Very pretty. Alright. See what else do we have. Alright, so here's a Christmas tree. Standard toolkit. Here's your drills. Now, several of these are Christmas, and that's okay, that's fine. If you are in some of the diamond painting groups, which I'm a moderator for, one, you know that there are we do different events. There's bags of drills. But we do different events every month. And this is like a variety pack. to where I'm sure I could pick something out of every one of these to do for an event. Say if, I think this is gorgeous, but if somebody was doing an event for churches, well, here's me a church. Or butterflies, well, this has got a butterfly in it, so I could do this for that event. So here is the last one. And again, standard toolkit. Here's your drills. And then it is another Christmas. And it is a snowman. And it's very cute. Very cute. So all in all, I think these are, like I said, these are absolutely adorable. They are great quality. I have been diamond painting for 6 years now, and I don't see a problem with these. I did not get not one duplicate in this mystery pack or the 12 kit mystery pack. So apparently they have fixed that issue. And all of these are really nice. Really nice. Now, the majority of these holidays are Christmas, but that's okay. That is fine. They're just random. They're just randomly grabbed and stuck in the kits. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you to where, you know, you're not scared to order one of these mystery kits or mystery packs. So yeah, I am very impressed. I am impressed with it. I am impressed with the variety and with the quality. The only thing I would say is I don't like these being loose. I wish they were in, you know, some kind of bag or something. That would be my only, you know, thing about this kit, or this pack of canvases. So I will leave the link to this in my description box for y'all to go check out. Thanks for watching.